Hi friends, in this video, we are going to learn what will be the value of 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 11 equal to. Is it going to be A or B or C or D? If you are first time to the channel, guys, please kindly subscribe to the channel to learn more maths videos like that. How about guys, you pause this video and try yourself first, and then you can compare your answer with me. Yeah, sounds good. All right, so I'll get started, guys. Let us say, guys, you can see like these four terms: 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10. They all are like terms. So if I've got like x plus x plus x plus x, I can write down 4x, isn't it? So like the same things, I'll write down like 4 times 4 power 10. What did I do is x times x plus x plus x plus x, that's going to be 4x. So like the same thing, 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10 plus 4 power 10, I can write down 4 times 4 power 10, and then 4 power 11 as it is, because that was not like term. Now here I can use my index law, 4 power 1 and 4 power 10. So here in index law, we know if there is a multiplication, then I can add the power. So let us say x power 2 times x power 3. Then I can do x power 2 plus 3, which is 5. So I can do 4 power 1 plus 10, which is 11. And this is also 4 power 11. Now we can see, guys, this is again the like terms. So if it is a x plus x, I can do 2x. So like the same thing, I'll be doing 2 times 4 power 11. Now, I will try to change everything in the base of 2. So that 2 will remain as it is. And this 4, I can write down as a 2 power 2. And that power 11. Now, let us say we do know that if there is a power and another power, then I can multiply these two. So a power mn. So I can do like 2 times 2 power 2 power 11. So 2 times 11, which is going to be 22. And this is 2, which is 2 power 1. Now in multiplication, when there's a multiplication, we add the power. So that's going to be 2 power 1 plus 22, which is going to be 2 power 23, which is our final answer, guys. And that is matching with our answer A. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.